So this AI tool called Videohound.ai is promised to create some interesting and potentially viral clips based on an existing video. So basically you can upload a video, or you can even just provide a link of a YouTube video, and then this AI will analyze the content, and eventually it will provide some clips that could go viral if you post them on the internet. Of course, it is not going to be 100% guarantee, but imagine that you can create multiple pieces of content based on one boring and possibly long video, like maybe podcast or interview or webinar. You can create multiple viral clips for YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reel with by just sending the video link. So if that sounds familiar, because this is not exactly a new concept, we have a similar capability from Opus Clip AI, and it has been around for quite some time, but now we have even more option. And at the moment they offer 60 free minutes for new users, so you can use it to generate, I would say, decent amount of videos. But honestly, I actually haven't tried this tool, so this is going to be my first time using Videohound.ai. And for the demonstration, I'm going to convert this boring video that I just uploaded less than 1 hour ago. It's just a basic tutorial video, but I want to see if this AI is able to create interesting clips based on the video that maybe, just maybe, I could post as a short form content. Alright, so you have to navigate to Videohound.ai. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the link in the video description, and after that you can sign up using your Google account or your email, and this is what it looks like. It's quite simple actually. Now I'm going to just copy this video link, and let me just paste it right here and send a message. So I don't know how long it would take for this tool to generate multiple clips based on the video. So I guess I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to skip forward when it is done. Okay, so this is the option, I guess, and one click to grab moments instantly, or prompt to find any moment that you want. I guess I'm going to use this feature. I think that's very convenient. Alright, so we are processing your video and grasp moments. This won't take long, but I believe this could take multiple minutes. So I'm going to skip forward when it finishes. Well, I was wrong. It was actually less than 1 minute. So I'm quite impressed by how quick it is to create clips from the video. And here you see that there are multiple options. There are 6 different videos, and I want to see the one that could go viral. As far as I know, there is actually a menu that lets you see the moment that's likely to go viral. And oh yeah, there you go. So you can click on this button and then select virality highest first. So apparently this is the most likely scene that could go viral based on my video. It is only 51 seconds long. So I guess I'm going to play some of it, and I want to see if there's actually something that I would say to be interesting. Okay, and I'm going to press Ctrl, Windows and Alt, and we'll improve this prompt. Please improve this prompt to make it more cinematic. Alright, still thinking, and there you go. So this is the new prompt based on the text that I provided earlier. Now I'm going to send it. Okay, I'm going to stop it right there. I think it's alright, it's not bad. But maybe because the nature of video wasn't exactly the kind of video that could go viral. So in my opinion, that wasn't exactly, interesting. It is okay, but I think I was thinking that maybe this tool could take multiple clips together and kind of stitch them together in one video. So it's not just one long clip without any cut. That's what I was imagining, but apparently that's not how this thing works. So let me try to see another option. The result, and yeah, it's actually much closer to my vision. So I was thinking to have an explosion when the woman is riding away from the explosion, so it's exactly in the background. This is okay, but I prefer this one a lot more because it's just more. All right, So from this demo alone, I would say it's not exactly great, but it's not bad either. I could use some of the clips. Maybe I can use 1 or 2 generations from this video alone. So I think it's okay, it's great, but I'm kind of disappointed that I cannot convert it into a different format. Like in Opus Clip, you can get a 9:16 video from a 16:9 video, so you could easily just upload it directly to Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. But in this case, I think it's only creating short video in the original aspect ratio, which is fine, but that's kind of missed the mark a bit for me. And here at the bottom we have some other options. I think it's oh, there is an option to change aspect ratio. Okay, I didn't expect that. All right, there is this modify moment, caption, and then exporting, which I believe basically just downloading the video. And here, well, we can turn this into 9:16, I believe. So I guess I can click here and then turn it to be 9:16 aspect ratio. And also, I would say the editing process or the editing interface here is a bit less complicated than most AI code editors, so that's something to be appreciated. And yeah, there aren't many things that we can do based on what's available in this editor. Okay, there's this menu. We can change it to something else. Okay, you can specify the font, the size, the text arrangement, shadow, stroke, background, highlight, etc. There are so many things that you can do for the text customization, but for everything else, it's very, very limited. Now, I don't know how long this process would go, so I'm going to just skip forward when it is done. Okay, so this is the result of 16:9 video turned into 9:16. And I can see right away that this is not ideal. So there's this is the actual aspect ratio of the video, and this is just the blank area that I don't know what to do with that. Usually people just fill it with some random background or a Minecraft video, I don't know, but yeah, that's not the kind of resizing that I have in mind. Like in Filmora, we have a tool to convert 16:9 video into 9:16, much better than this, but yeah, this is not so great. So yeah, despite the generosity of 63 minutes of usage for new users, I don't think this is offering everything completely. At least it is not on the same level as Opus Clip. Maybe not at the moment, but I believe that the people that is working behind this project will make this tool even better. So yeah, I think that's basically it. And here you can download the video to 1080p, which is very basic. And yeah, I think I covered everything that you need to know about Videohound.ai. There are many things that you can do here. So if you are interested to explore more, you can navigate to Videohound.ai. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the video description so you can check it out. But anyway, if you find this video to be interesting, or if you want to see more AI tutorials just like this one, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.